So what exactly is a bank? I mean, have you ever really stopped to think about it? It's such a big part of our lives, but how does it all actually work? Well, today, we're going on a little journey to figure that out together.
You know, this quote is so true. Think about it. We use money every single day, tapping our cards, scanning QR codes, but the system behind it all, how it moves from one place to another, it can feel like a real mystery. So come on, let's solve this mystery.
To help us on our journey, let's meet Nand. He's a student, probably a bit like many of us when we first started thinking about money. A little curious, maybe a little nervous too. And he has a very important mission.
See, Nand's mentor has given him a task, a very simple but important one. Go to the bank and learn how it all works from an expert, a manager named Sampat. And we are going to join Nand for his very first lesson.
All right, so Nand has reached the bank. He's ready for his first lesson. Let's see how Sampat explains things right from the very beginning.
Sampat starts with the most basic question, and his answer? It's beautifully simple. A bank, at its heart, does two main things. It's a place where you can safely keep your money, and it's a place where other people can come to borrow money. That's it.
And here's a brilliant way to picture it. Sampat tells Nand to just think of a bank as a bridge. And suddenly, the whole idea becomes so much clearer. Simple, Hannah. It's just a bridge connecting two groups of people.
And this is what that bridge connects. See, on one side of the bridge, you have the savers, people like you and me who are putting money into the bank. And on the other side, you have borrowers, people who need that money to achieve their goals, like buying a home or starting a company. The bank is what connects them.
Okay, so if the bank is just a bridge, how does it make any money? That's a good question, right? Let's follow a single deposit to really understand the process.
Sampat gives a very simple example. Let's say someone deposits 10,000 rupees into the bank, okay? Now let's follow the journey of these 10,000 rupees and see how the bank actually makes a profit from it.
So here's how it works. First, the money is deposited. The bank then pays a small amount of interest to the saver for keeping their money with them. Now, here comes the key part. The bank takes that same money and lends it out to a borrower, but they charge the borrower a higher rate of interest. And that difference, the gap between the interest they earn and the interest they pay, that is the bank's profit. See? Simple.
Okay, so we understand the basic idea now. But what does this all mean in the real world? How does this financial bridge actually help people?
Well, this is where it all comes together. Those loans are not just numbers. They are tools for achieving dreams. An education loan can help a student build a great career. A home loan helps a family buy their own house. And a business loan, well, that can help someone start a new company and create jobs for others.
And it's not just about these big, life-changing loans. Just think about our everyday life. All the tools we use, UPI, our cards, net banking, they all come from banks, making our lives so much easier. And of course, they also provide security, like lockers for our valuable things. At this point, you can see the light bulb go on for Nand. He's starting to see the bigger picture. And Sampat sums it all up so well. A bank isn't just a place for money, it's the financial engine of the whole economy. It's what helps society move forward and grow.
So, as the day ends, Nand leaves the bank. He doesn't know everything yet, of course. But that initial confusion he felt, it's been replaced by a real curiosity to learn more. For him, this journey has just begun. Nand's first lesson teaches us something very important. To understand the huge world of money, we have to start with this one core idea: the bank. He's just taken his first step, and the real question is, what will you be curious to learn about tomorrow?